Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Well, because we are going to be 21st century learners, we want to learn how to use this using technology. And so our objective is we're going to use technology to create a 10-card vocabulary set on Quizlet.com. And your homework must be done on Edmodo. You cannot submit this any other way. Okay? So, here's the task. Courtney, are you listening? In a minute, you're going to choose a partner. Not right now. You're going to choose 10 key vocab words that you want to define, and your 10 words are going to come from the list of 13 over here. So there's 13 words there. You can pick any 10 you want, your choice. The first thing you're going to do with your partner is you're going to create your own definitions. You can use the book if you want, of each of those vocab words, and then you have to bring to Miss Zacharias or myself, and we'll sign off, say it looks good. Once we say it looks good, then you're going to go grab a laptop computer in the back of the class, and you're going to sit down, and then you're going to log into Quizlet.com. Let me show you that website. So on Quizlet.com, this is the site that's going to allow you to create your cards. And so Quizlet.com is where you go. And this is my account I've set up, and is what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to hit the button that says Make Flashcards. Oh, the smart board is one. So let me show you how you're going to do this if you're going to do your first couple words, and I'll make a quick set for you. So you really need to watch on this one. Some of you may have done this in Mr. Greenlee's class, in his 7th grade class, Foundations. So here's my new flashcard set. I haven't had to do anything yet except say create a flashcard set. Now I have 6th grade and 7th grade vocab words here. So I'm going to pick, let's go 6th grade. And the first word I see here is, well, first of all, back up. I have to title it.
Words.
Who's my best writer? Who wants to write on the board for me?
I'm a really bad writer.
Who is? Alright, Jesse, come on up. Jesse, you're going to write this on the board over there for me. So over here. Come at you. Good. So you're going to write this. In your title, it must say CMS Math. So you just write that, CMS Math, so they can all see that. And then I want to put key, because this is going to disappear in a minute. Key vocabulary. Right? Your subject, if you go over here and click the subject bar, so as long as you wrote that, Jesse, we're good there. Subject, I'm going to start typing the word math. Now watch what happens. A bunch of boxes open up to give me some choices. Over here, guys, on the smart board. So I'm going to choose math vocabulary as the title of my subject. I want everyone to see it. You bet. I don't mind people seeing my work. Who do I want to edit it? Just me is fine. Now in your description, you have to have both of your names in the description box. That is what helps me do that. So write description, Jesse. Write the word description, and then put your names so they know that. So I'm going to put Mr. Ma, and we'll put Jesse here. Okay, so as if we're working in a group, that would be our set. Alright, so now check this out. I scroll down, and I want to go ahead and type my first term. So as long as you have that, Jesse, we're good. Okay, you can go back, sit down, and watch what we're doing now. Thank you. Something?
Yeah.
Who's got a good, what did I say, guys?
Kitty cat.
What did I say it was? I can't remember.
Dog. You don't remember your aunt's best friend?
Prime number, I said. No, I didn't. I said prime number. Okay, so there's my word. My word is prime number. Now you can actually come over here and type your definition in this box that you've created. Or this is really cool. You can have the computer now find a definition for you. An integer that has no integral factors but itself in one. I like this one, a whole number that has exactly 2 factors, one in itself. That looks good to me.
Yep.
So I select it. Now it automatically types it for me. Pretty cool. That's 2 of the jobs done. Alyssa, the third item is you have to have a picture today. So I go over to add image. You cannot upload image unless you've paid for an account. I've paid $10. I have a yearly account now. But you guys don't. You have free ones. You have to do a searched image. So I'm going to tell the computer to look for an image of prime number. Now these pictures, I don't know where they're coming from. They're kind of, some are kind of crazy. Like why that guy came up when your mom is so old. I don't know.
I like his beard. It's really
if you'll refer back to the assignment today, what's the word here? I think I spelled it wrong. Appropriate picture. Well, I don't think your mom is so old as appropriate for this number. So let's see if we can have the computer find. Oh, there's a number in the brick.
What is it? Oh, in the book.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but so the thing is, you want to listening. You want to find a picture that will help you remember the definition. So what picture might go with prime number? Only two factors, one in itself. Not her. Why this car is in here, I don't know.
It has numbers on it.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
What is mine?
Okay, so I'm there. I'm going to pick this one because it's 1 and 3. It's only two numbers, one in itself. I'm going to choose this one. Just tell me when I get through this. So I say use image. So there's my word. Here's my definition. There's my picture. Now I have to have at least 2 words to make a card set. So let's pick another word. I'm going to pick bisector. This might be a bad one. Might get yeah, let's get a different one. Let's find
Mode.
midpoint.
Yeah.
Okay, midpoint's my word. Majesta, what are you up to? What are you doing? You want to tell us what you're doing?
That's funny. I'm doing my key vocab on the Quizlet.
You like using technology?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you do.
Running it in my arms right.
Cool.
I'm recording.
Alright, so just turn and say hi to us.
Hi.
So what are you doing right now on the computer?
I'm looking for a picture for formula.
And why formula? What are you doing here?
What?
What are you doing here? Why are you using formula? Tell us what you're doing.
I'm making a card.
Making a
I'm
flashcard
making a flashcard for my class.
on the internet? Using what software?
Quizlet.
Quizlet. And then you're going to hopefully study these cards eventually?
Yes.
Good girl. Class, we have 2 fine young scholars here. Introduce yourself, say hi.
Hi.
Good.
Hey.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
We're making flashcards on Quizlet.
Okay.
Math term flashcards.
And easier than a paper flashcard, maybe?
Probably.
We're hoping so, right?
Yeah, other than the whole search image thing, it doesn't give you the image you want.
So it's kind of frustrating you don't have the right images?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool. See you later.
Adios.
Our vocab words.
Vocab words?
Yeah.
And you're doing them on what?
Quizlet.com.
So you're using a little technology in class today?
Yes.
Okay. Well, hopefully we'll like this better than the paper cards, right?
Yeah. That's better.
Only if you study them. Right?
Great.
All right.
Bye.
See you. Ready?
No. Wait.
Okay, what are we doing here today?
We are making our flashcards on Quizlet.
Quizlet.com?
Yeah.
Why? Other than the fact I told you to do it? Why?
Learn the vocabulary.
To learn
The
more
vocabulary
vocabulary, to like get it in our brains.
Okay. So is it just about the vocabulary words, or could it be about also learning another tool you can use to learn?
Yeah, another tool too. It's both.
Can you explain what other subjects you could use this for?
You can use it for English,
Studies,
science.
How? Science. How?
Why me?
How science?
I don't know. Science, because there are some vocabulary words that we don't know, and by using Quizlet we can define the words and go through them faster than writing them down.
What about the picture idea?
The picture idea is to like if we see the picture, we could get what we're learning. So
You learn with pictures better?
yeah, you can get like a visual of what you're trying to learn.
Ooh, very good. I like that. Okay. Good job, ladies. Keep working.